welcome back to the Vera Project. So today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do basically a hack on the weed eater. So let me show you what type of hack I'm talking about. Alright, so you have your typical weed eater here. This is a brushless 40 volt weed eater. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to remove this current head, and I want to basically put a Forester head, which looks like this. So basically it looks like a saw blade, right? And with the chainsaw blade around it. So it's a 9-inch saw chain grass blade. And what you do is you basically are able to go ahead and place that on your weed eater here. Okay. Another thing I did end up getting was this particular kit here that allows you to place it here. Okay. And hold that in place when we put it here on the weed eater. So let me go ahead, put the camera down, and show you how we're going to go ahead and put that in. Okay, so the first thing first, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we rotate this all the way to the point that I can put a screwdriver in here. Okay, when you put the screwdriver in there, it's going to allow you to go ahead and unscrew this head. Okay. So we were able to remove that head. So now what we're going to do is let's grab that saw blade and place it here like that. Alright guys, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to place the saw blade here. Okay, but you're going to make sure that you do it the opposite this way. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and place that piece there, and then you're going to place this nut on here. Alright guys, so what I figured out that this nut that's actually in here, okay, you can pop this out. When you pop this out, you remove this. It's actually sitting like this in here, right? So what I did is I went ahead, I got a screwdriver, went all the way around, popped it out, and here it is, right? So now all we have to do is put on your blade. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put on this guy here. I'm gonna put a washer just in case too, and now we can screw it in. That's what it's looking like right now. So we're gonna go ahead and tighten it now, right? So I'm going to put the screwdriver in here so that stays tight. Yeah, I'm just going to grab a pair of pliers just to tighten it. Now you can remove this. And here it is. You can hear the power. So now we're going to go ahead and test it outside and see how it goes. Thanks for watching the Vera Projects. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. Help us out. We're trying to reach to that 1,000 subscribers, so tell your friends and family. And I'll see you next time with another great video.